Hi guys, so here we have it, another new product from Killallchrome. So here we have the R50 R53 Union Jack rear lights. So these we've been waiting for months, and we get inundated with emails asking when they're going to be coming, etc. So here they are. There's loads of these in stock, so obviously if you want to order, get your orders in now. So I'll just show you the light unit before we start. So as you can see, proper plug, it's all nicely made. These aren't the DIY one, these are actually made in a factory, so you can see the quality is absolutely perfect on them. I'm not going to pull it all the way off there, but you can see absolutely bob on. So what we're going to do is going to start by showing you how to install them. So on the R53 you'll see, which is that side, it's going to go in like that. Now on the back side, and it's easier for me to show you like that, you can see it comes through and there's a 10mm bolt on there. So that is all you need, is a 10mm socket. So I'll put that one back and I'll just show you here roughly where I'm looking. So if you look in the side pocket, you can see my ratchet just hanging on it. So obviously I'm just going to take that out now and then we'll go from there. So that's it, just one 10mm socket on there. We won't lose this, this is like gold dust, so that's staying there. So on this one, so we took the 10mm bolt off there. So I'll show you on this one because it'll be easy to describe. You've got to get your hand inside, see them two clips there, they have got to go like that basically. That's what's holding it in, and then that one will tighten it up. So when you're taking them out, make sure you get a pry tool behind them and just release that and it'll come out. And I'll just show you just quickly on this one that I've already released. So you need to get your hand in there, get that clip out and that clip out, and you'll see. Just unplug that one. It's the same clips there basically, so it's just them. If that catches behind when you're taking it off, you'll end up doing that, and that's what you don't want. That needs to be in like that, and that needs to be in like that. So we'll slip the other one in now. So it's this side. So obviously going in is dead easy, literally just push them in and bolt them up. So that's in there. So obviously there's a hole inside there, just make sure that's lining up. And just feel it inside here. I'll pull this off, it's going to get trapped. So once that's lined up, and that's it. So basically it just clicks in like that, and then obviously from that point you can see there is a little bit of manoeuvrability on the light unit. So obviously when you're doing it up, obviously where the hole goes through and the bolt goes through that there is movement like that. So obviously put it in, tighten it up, and that's it. So there you go guys, both of them are in now. We've just had a quick test on them obviously to make sure they're all alright. So that to that is, you can see the difference, that is absolutely spot on. So then all you've got to do, them bolts, these clips, and they're in. There is optional reflectors for these if you want to fit those as well. Some people say that they won't pass an MOT with these because they've not got a reflector, but there is actually a reflector in there. If you wanted to put them on to make double sure, then obviously you can. These are available straight away on our website, www.killallchrome.co.uk. So we'll just go through a few lighting sequences now. So if we turn the ignition on, and then we have the normal lights there, you can see, perfect. And then we have the indicators. There's one, and there's the other. And then we'll give you a brake light demonstration, which is that one. And then reverse lights. So there you go guys, as you can see, no warnings with these, obviously plug and play as always, so we can make it simple for you guys out there. Thanks for watching.
Swalla. swalla, 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 swalla.